Heading to the courts now, first-class tennis will serve off in Jamaica this weekend with the staging of the inaugural Kingston Open ATP Challenger 75 tournament at the Liguanea Club in New Kingston. More in this report.
Local tennis lovers will get the chance to witness some of the best players in the world when the two-week tournament gets underway in 3 days' time. The main drawing card will see the 2022 Wimbledon and 2024 US Open doubles Grand Slam champion Max Purcell, as well as 2022 Australian Open doubles champ Thanasi Kokkinakis in action. Tournament director Stephen Wilson said it was a challenge securing the event on the tennis calendar. He stressed the importance that the tournament now holds in preparation for one of the Grand Slams.
It wasn't easy, a lot of sleepless nights, and our team also shared in those sleepless nights with me, so thanks to them. But thanks to the ATP and it being a major event, we have the week that is right before the US Open qualifiers. So that helped a lot. And getting that week wasn't easy, but we're thankful to the ATP that they gave us that week. We're one of 5 tournaments in the Western Hemisphere leading up to the US Open. And that was what really made the big difference, getting the names that you see on the entry list.
It will be the first time that an ATP Challenger 75 tournament will be held in the English-speaking Caribbean. Challenger supervisor for the ATP Tour, Carl Baldwin, says he's impressed with the amount of work and the level of organization that has been undertaken.
So they're doing a lot of work on the courts, which is still in progress. We're nearly finished. Unfortunately, a bit of rain yesterday delayed things a little bit, but we're almost there. I know in the club they've done a lot of work refurbishing some of the club, which is great. It's good to see their enthusiasm for helping the tournament. So yeah, there's a lot to do. The hotels, the organisation. But no, it's really impressive how everyone's come together, really keen to try and make this event a success and try and get something established on the calendar in Jamaica.
Head coach at the host venue, Liguanea Club, Lockett McGregor, outlined the significance of the tournament.
I mean, this 75, you have different levels to qualify for the Grand Slam. And this is like about the 3rd or 4th level from the top. So it's a significant tournament. When you look at the level of players, you have players who have been the winners of doubles championship in the Wimbledon, the US Open and all of that. So it's a top of the world that is coming to play.
Meanwhile, President of Tennis Jamaica, John Azar, says the tournament will not only be vital for the game, but also for the tourism sector.
I think the tennis in Jamaica is amazing. Obviously, it just puts us a little bit further on the map. So there are a lot of quality athletes coming down to play over the next couple of weeks. And for Jamaica itself, I think it's also amazing. I mean, we always talk about sports tourism, but I don't think enough of it actually happens. So having events like this where hundreds of people come into the island to play, to watch, to take part, I think is just fantastic.
Jamaica's #1 player, Blaise Bicknell, will lead the nation's charge in the Kingston Open ATP Challenger 75, which will run from August 16 to 29. It will have a combined match purse of US $217,000 or 33 million Jamaican dollars, and will see players from more than 20 countries participating. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.